Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Tucson side mirror. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. You'll need a few basic tools, which we'll cover shortly. This repair is quite manageable for most DIY enthusiasts and can save you a significant amount compared to a professional service. We'll guide you through each step, making the process clear and straightforward. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll definitely need a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your paint. Of course, have your new Hyundai Tucson side mirror assembly ready. For safety, it's always a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before working on any electrical components. This prevents accidental shorts. Now let's get to the hands-on part. Gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connectors. Once the panel is off, unbolt the old mirror assembly and carefully disconnect any wiring harnesses. Then, position your new mirror, secure it with the bolts and reconnect all electrical plugs. Finally, reattach the door panel. After everything is reassembled, reconnect your car battery. It's crucial to test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and turn signals, to ensure everything works correctly. Adjust the mirror to your preferred driving position for optimal visibility and safety. You've successfully replaced your side mirror. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. This simple repair can save you hundreds of dollars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.